Hey, what's up, guys? So I know you guys are all interested in what we're going to be running this year. So I'm going to do a quick bike check. Um, and I am definitely not sponsored. This bike, I probably took about 3 years of demoing to come to a bit of a conclusion on what I was going to purchase. I think it's super important to uh, demo, try new ones, see what works for you, what bike is best for you, not to just buy that shiny, fancy new one. I think it's super important to find out what your riding style is, what you're going to be doing, what your terrain is going to be doing. Um, the whole reason why I chose this bike was because it's in the enduro category and it's burly. The last bike I had was starting to blow apart, was starting to break on me. So I upped my game a bit and went to something more burly. But like I said, it was about 3 years of trying to find out what suited my riding style. So here we have it, guys. This is the 2019 Transition Sentinel. I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look so that you can see it all, guys. So we're going to go right from the front. So right from the start here, guys. So I'm running the Michelin Wild Enduros 2.4 on the front, 2.4 on the rear. A lot of this bike is stock. So I didn't change a whole lot on this bike because I kind of like what it came with. So up front, running the Fox 36 Elite with the Grip 2 damper. I run the ODI TLD grips, obviously in orange because orange is the best color. Then I am also running the RSC Code brakes, 4-piston RSC Code brakes, front and rear. SRAM. So we've got the Race Face aluminum handlebars. I don't run any carbon on any of my bikes I've ran. I don't run carbon. I understand it. There's a purpose for it. I personally run aluminum. So this bike is all aluminum. So aluminum Race Face bar, aluminum frame. On the rear, we have the, gonna bring you guys in. So on the rear, we have the DPX2 shock. I run for pedals. They are a rebuildable. Rebuildable Black Spire pedal. We have the one up chain guide, and you see underneath it's got the bash guard as well.
This life's not like you wanted it. His eyes live again, free within. Time after time, I walk the fine line. Something keeps bringing me back. Time after time, I'm going in blind. I don't know which way I need to go. Time after time, I walk the fine line. Something keeps bringing me back. Time after time, I can't see the signs. I don't know which way I need to go.
So on the rear, I upgraded the rear hub and I put a DT Swiss 350 in. The original hub just wasn't quite burly enough, so I figured needed to up it a little. So I went to the DT Swiss 350, kept the original rim, but just put a better hub in, so I'm not breaking stuff. So yeah, the 350, a lot of people know about this DT Swiss 350, really good hub. So gonna give you guys a little shot of that. Here we got the Eagle GX 1x12. Awesome. The front I swapped out from a 32 tooth to a 30 tooth. Way better gearing. Works for me, works for the terrain I'm in. So I like the, I went down 2 teeth to the 30 tooth front ring. It's awesome. I'm gonna spin this little so I can show you guys the one up chain guide and bash guard. Works awesome so that you don't wreck your front chain ring. Works really good. Other than that, there is the Ass Savers rear mud guard that I like. Works good for me. Works with a dropper post. A lot of the ones attached to the post and don't work, but this one works for me. It's yeah, Ass Savers little clip in. I think it's like $14 or something. Works great for me. Keeps a lot of mud off of you. So yeah, guys, that is the 2019 Transition Sentinel that you're going to be seeing in a lot of the videos. So I'm super stoked to be bringing some action and some riding to you guys. And yeah, that's the whip for this year. Bike check. If you have any questions, comments, let me know in the bottom comment. I look at the comments, turn your bell notifications on. Yeah, and this is just the bike that works for me. It was not given to me. I paid every cent for it. It's just what works for me, what I like. It suits my riding style, and that's what you guys should look for in a bike, something that suits your riding style and is for you. This is just what works for me. So one more look at it, guys, and check it out. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the bike check. You're gonna be seeing a lot of riding on this Sentinel, and shredding with friends, shredding with whoever God puts in my day. So yeah, it's a sick bike. I enjoy it, and hope to keep bringing you guys along and enjoying the trails as much as I do. So until then, guys, shred your light.